Most QR codes are boring, black and white blob that no one wants to scan. But what if you could turn them into branded, dynamic marketing tools that can update anytime without reprinting everything? That's what Qroq is built for. In this video, I'll show you how Qroq helps businesses turn every QR code into a marketing powerhouse. If you're into smart tools that help you grow faster with less effort, hit that subscribe button, and if you grab Qroq using my link below, I've got exclusive bonuses waiting for you. When you get access to the Qroq platform, you can see on the dashboard is a quick welcome to Qroq and also a video that you can watch to get more insight on how to use Qroq. But you're already getting this video, so I guess that doesn't really matter. But here you can see your total number of scans that you've had on your QR codes. We are just testing today, so there isn't much, but you can see it's over a different span of time, so it helps you to keep track. You can see all the QR codes that you've created, the types that they are, the dates you created them, and the people that have scanned it, or the number of people. So if you want to create your own QR code, you click on the QR code panel, and you can see that we already have QR codes that have been created, but we can create new QR codes. Here we can choose the type of QR code we want. You can either pick dynamic ones or you can pick static ones. So static ones are things that will not change over time, or dynamic ones are things that will change as time goes on. So when we have these dynamic ones, the one that you saw previously was the social media type, but here let's create one for videos, and now we'll enter our QR code title. So let's call this Qroq review. So we choose our page color. All of this is boilerplate. So we put the title, let's call it Qroq review. So this is how it will appear on a mobile device. So you choose your font, then you choose the description. Let's just keep this the way it is. Then you choose your URL. This is very important so that people get to the right place you want them to get to. So you can change all of these. So let's change all of that and you can move on. And here is the important part. Now you can add a background color to it. You can change it. This is the basic QR code, but now this is where you can add more of your customization to it. So you can see that we've made it a bit different. We can add different logos here to be placed in the center of your QR code. And it doesn't change anything because as long as Qroq has made it for you, people will always get directed to that page. So you can download it and share it on your website or print it out if you're going to an event, or you can click on it to visit that page to see where it actually leads to. So as you can see, it leads to that video that was already embedded. So you can take a look at your analytics, which shows all the QR codes that you have, and you see the audience insights, device usage, and so much information about the people that are accessing it, which is very good for businesses to know how well their content is doing. And here you can create groups. When you create groups, you can see all the different groups. You can section all the QR codes you have to have more organization. You can see we already created one group, and in that group, we can add QR codes in it. Here you can create teams where you can give different teams, different groups, and QR codes so that when they go out, you know which team is performing better. You can also use custom emails so that you can have access to the back end of Qroq. So this is like managing your team through Qroq. With Qroq, you can also create a landing page, which I think is a very powerful tool. You can create a landing page and it automatically creates a QR code alongside that landing page. So we can view the landing page that we've already created here. You can see it's just a quick welcome to Digitech. I did not type anything here. It was all made by AI. So we can click on it here and we can create a new one. So let's say I want to create, the landing page title will be cleaning business or bizarre, cleaning bizarre. A page about my cleaning business. So it generates. Might take a little while, but once it's done, you can move on. So page has been generated successfully. You can view the QR code, or you can view the page similar to how we viewed the other page. So when it has been created, okay, I think I viewed the wrong one. Okay, so it's this one. Okay, it has been created for you, and if you are good with that, you can either edit it. Oh, I clicked on the wrong one. Let's go back. You can edit it here, or you can view the QR code made for that page. And you can see, you can definitely edit it and make changes similar to before. And here with your API key, you can use your API key from Qroq on other pages, on other sites. So you can create QR codes on other sites with your API from Qroq. And one thing to note is that Qroq is a credit-based system. So as you use it, you are using a total number of credits. So this is where you change your information, you can reach out for help, and also you can log out. So you can see that there's a lot that Qroq has to offer. When you can use it, when you need it, it's type of tool that solves your problems when you need it. So you can use it to its full of abilities, to as much as you'd like to. So a link to Qroq is in the description of this video. If you have any question, need any clarification, you can ask us and we'd love to answer. But don't forget, we have exclusive bonuses available for you below. See you in the next one. Goodbye.